welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Hoping you're having a great day or day of your choice. My makeup is on point. I'll be doing a look for hooded eyes today with the Natasha Denona Cupid palette, which is a great, wonderful palette that's easy to find on Mercari and other places. And it's just absolutely beautiful. Very neutral with a little bit of warm reds. You cannot go wrong with this. It looks great on every eye color imaginable. I hope you're having a great day. I think I said that. I'm having a great day. I got an epidural for my back pain. And I'm feeling no pain today. Because they give you good medicine when you get the epidural. And it's very nice. So I'm going to start today with this second color here. I'm sure it's got a name. It's on the back and it's written so small that I can't read it without glasses. So put this in the crease. And it is a beautiful mauve-y. It doesn't look mauve in the pan. It looks kind of beige, but it's actually kind of mauve. But it's a beautiful crease color. And for hooded eyes, it's important to have a good crease color because you need to give yourself more real estate. Because when you have the hooded eyes, half of your makeup disappears when your eye is open. So you always want to make sure that you give yourself a nice big crease if you have the room for it. Because what's actually going to be seen is mostly up here and on the very bottom of the lid. And that's just how it works with this kind of eye issue. I'm just blending it all out. It blends out fabulously. Fabulously, it's blending out. Look at my wrinkles, they scream and shout. I'm also over 50 years old. I know, I just closed this like I'm not going to use it anymore. In fact, I've got some all over my thumb. I'm going to be using this for the rest of the video. Duh. Rhonda. Anywho, I'm in a great mood. I'm glad to see you guys. I'm going to go into this shimmery, coppery red. It's not very coppery, but it is a beautiful shimmer. It's kind of a muted rust, but more on the red side. And that is, you put the darker colors on the outside of your eye to make it appear bigger. And this shimmer is just beautiful. And this is a very muted palette, but it's great for holidays and some drama and, like, you know, a smoky eye, but in a different way, which we all enjoy a little variety. And how many brown and gray smoky eyes can you have before you lose your mind? That is the question that I have for you. How many? I'm going to go in with my finger to this middle shimmer. I'm going to put that on the inside corner and onto the lid. And blend it out into that second color. And see, that really opens the eye up. I love blending it into this other color to get another color out of it. So that looks really pretty. And now I'm going to go into this red, and I'm going to take a little flat brush, and I'm going to punch up the outside color. Just a little bit on the outside, just to give it more depth. and you're thinking, wow, my eyes look really big, wide, and open. That's because they are. I'm going to go back into this outside shade, the shimmer. I'm going to pull it a little more into the crease. Kind of give the eye more balance. That looks much more balanced. One of my eyes is bigger than the other. One has more real estate than the other. I do my best to get them symmetrical, but it's just not possible. The next step is to put some eyeliner on, which I'm going to record for you. Normally I just skip over it, but today you are getting the full enchilada. I can't find my usual eyeliner, my Il Maquillage. So instead I will use Better Than Sex Too Faced Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. I haven't used this in a minute, so hopefully it's so good. It looks like it is. A little on the dry side, but I've had it for a minute. And I'm just drawing a little baby wing, because when you have hooded eyes, you can't really pull off a big wing anymore. And I'm making it smaller on the inside. Oh, I got some eyeliner in a spot that I did not want. Ugh. This is not a great eyeliner to use, especially once it's a little old. It is definitely dried out and dried in. Should have tested it. I will be discarding this immediately. But I've got the eyeliner on, and that's what's important. And so this was great when it was brand new, but it is old and it is now in the garbage. And now for mascara, I like to use a variety of mascaras. I'm going to use one I got from Influencer, which is the Hypnose 8, and it's got properties in it that help grow your lashes. And it's by Lancome, and Lancome usually has some pretty incredible mascaras, and this is really nice. I got it free for review. And it's good with a couple of layers. It's definitely buildable. Get in there, get some product, girl. And it's given a really soft, volumizing look. Which I'm all about, some softness. This looks so pretty. I'm very excited about this look. It's very nice and smoky and a little dramatic. Need a blending brush and just soften it up a little bit. Dramatic. Looks so pretty. And for my lips, I'm gonna go a little softer. I'm gonna go with the new liquid lipstick from KVD, and this is in Queen of Poisons, which is Supposedly a dupe for the Lolita of yesteryear. Ooh, it goes perfect. It's so beautiful. I made a little Cupid's bow, but this lip color looks perfect with this look. So I hope you've enjoyed and learned a little bit about my makeup style of putting on eyeshadow. This has been done with the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.